Hello guys, welcome once again. This is the Love Surgeon. Today I'm going to be doing a quick one on how to make her take you seriously. How to be taken seriously by a lady. Now, most times, most guys feel inadequate when they are being taken for granted. And most ladies do that when they've seen the whole of you. Now, the truth is, it is not their fault, okay? It is the way you presented yourself. And there's this thing I always say, the way you present yourself is the way you're going to be accepted. Now, how do you want to present yourself? As the needy guy, the nice guy, or the one who doesn't care? Whatever be the case, let's go right into the business of the day. Now, the first thing to do that will make ladies to take you seriously is that you don't tell them about your insecurities. Of course, we all have different forms of insecurities on different things and at different times. But if you ask me, I'll tell you, don't tell them and don't show it to them, don't let them know, because they're just gonna use it against you. Except it's a family member or someone that is very, very close to you, someone who understands you, and definitely he or she is not going to use it against you. That's tip number one. You don't tell them about your insecurities. Why? Because when you tell them about your insecurities, you appear as not being confident before them. And confidence is one of the things that attracts ladies and keep them around. So, regardless of your insecurity, yes, I know you want to talk to someone, it's tempting, you just want to get their opinion. Don't. Except, like I said, the person is very close to you. You keep it to yourself and don't show it to her. Appear as the confident one, even in areas when where you are not confident, because confidence stimulates attraction, and attraction is what keeps the lady around. Attraction is what keeps her around. So don't show your insecurities before her, and don't tell her or even show her about it. Keep it to yourself. Act as though you're not insecure. That alone breeds confidence. Alright, that's number one. Tip number two, do not ask for other people's opinion as much as possible. In other words, whatever it is, whatever idea that you conceive, swing straight into action. Don't be concerned about what people will say and how they're gonna say it. Don't care. Do what you want to do. Whatever you want to do, go ahead and do it, and don't ask for other people's opinion. Take yourself seriously. That's how they are going to take you seriously. I know sometimes you want to talk to them, you want to ask about this. Just go ahead. It's my person. I don't want to ask you. Just go ahead and you don't care. After doing that, and if you are able to do these two things, definitely you're going to do what stimulates confidence within yourself. You're going to ignite a very strong degree of confidence within yourself. And when you are speaking and acting as the confident guy, then you are just on the right track to getting that lady, and not just getting her, but keeping her for yourself, and she taking you seriously. So, if you're watching my video for the first time and you've benefited anything from this video, please let me know in the comment section. If there's any idea also that you think will help ladies to take guys seriously, even ladies yourself, if you know that, these are things that actually stimulate attractions in you and help you to take guys seriously, drop it in the comment section. My viewers would definitely want to benefit from your own idea also, and I personally would also like to learn from you. That's if you want to teach me, but I really would like to learn from you. So drop it in the comment section. And if you're watching this video for the first time, please click the subscribe button and turn on notification. Alright, turn on notification, like the video, and please share to all your friends. All right, share to all your friends. But then don't forget that when it comes to matters of the heart, we all react differently regardless of the general principles, and these principles only work when and if you walk the principle. Having these knowledge is one thing, using them, knowing when and how to apply them, is yet another thing. All right, so thanks for watching once again, and see you in the next video. I love you.